Hello everyone, I am Tejinder Singh Sabharwal from ICE College of Hotel Management. आज हम बात करेंगे फ्रेंच पेस्ट्री और डेजर्ट प्रिपरेशन के एक इंटरेस्टिंग टर्म के बारे में, क्रोक्वां। नाम फ्रेंच है और इसका मीनिंग ही इसका बिगेस्ट क्लू देता है, क्रिस्प, क्रंची एंड फुल ऑफ टेक्सचर। व्हाट इज क्रोक्वां? Croquant is a French culinary term associated with something that is crisp, crunchy, and brittle. In pastry, croquant can refer to a crunchy element made using ingredients such as nuts, sugar, chocolate, biscuits और other crisp components. सिंपल इंग्लिश में croquant मतलब ऐसा एलिमेंट जो बाइट करते ही क्रंच, और वही क्रंच डिजर्ट को एक्साइटिंग बना देता है। Why is texture important? Students, imagine a dessert with soft cake, soft cream, soft mousse and soft sauce. Everything is soft. अब अगर उसमें एक क्रिस्पी और क्रंची एलिमेंट ऐड कर दिया जाए, सडनली डिजर्ट बिकम्स मच मोर इंटरेस्टिंग। यू गेट सॉफ्ट, क्रीमी, क्रंची all in one bite. That's called texture contrast. Common croquant elements. A croquant element can be created using caramelized nuts, praline, crushed biscuits, chocolate and nuts, or other crisp ingredients. It may be used as a thin layer inside an entremets, a component of a plated dessert, or as a decorative garnish. The ingredients may change, but the objective remains crispness and crunch. Croquant and caramel. One popular method of creating a crunchy element is through caramelization. Sugar is heated until it melts and develops color and flavor. Nuts can be added, and once the mixture cools, it becomes hard, crisp, and brittle. It can then be broken, crushed, or used as a decorative element. Sweetness meets crunch. Croquant in modern pastry. Modern pastry chefs use croquant to create contrast. Imagine a dessert with silky cremo, soft sponge, smooth ice cream, and then a thin layer of croquant. One bite gives you creaminess, softness, coldness, and crunch. That is the magic of texture contrast. Temperature and humidity. Students, working with sugar and caramel requires care and precision. Caramel becomes extremely hot, so safe handling is essential. Another important point is humidity. Some crunchy preparations can absorb moisture and lose their crispness. So, crunch को बनाना ही नहीं, crunch को maintain भी करना है. Croquant versus cremo. Now let's connect this with cremo. Cremo gives us smoothness, richness, and creaminess. Croquant gives us crispness, crunch, and texture. Combine them and you create contrast. Soft plus crunchy, creamy plus crisp. That's what makes modern desserts exciting. English message for students. Students, प्रोफेशनल पेस्ट्री शेफ को सिर्फ स्वीट बनाना नहीं आना चाहिए, उसको समझना चाहिए टेक्सचर क्या है, कॉन्ट्रास्ट क्या है और गेस्ट को एक बाइट में क्या एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा। अगर डिजर्ट में सिर्फ स्वीटनेस है तो वो बोरिंग हो सकता है, लेकिन जब आप ऐड करते हो क्रंच, क्रीमीनेस, टेम्परेचर कॉन्ट्रास्ट एंड flavor contrast, dessert becomes an experience. Final message. So, my dear students, remember, croquant means crispness, crunch, and texture. It teaches us that a great dessert is not only about sweetness, it is about balance and contrast. Because sometimes the smallest crunch can make the biggest difference. This is Tejinder Singh Sabharwal from ICE College of Hotel Management.